Introducing the Simmons Beautyrest High Loft Airbed. This air mattress combines luxury and innovation with a high-profile design that has a premium look and feel over traditional air mattresses. Enjoy contouring support and enhanced durability with the unique vertical beam construction that will support up to 700 pounds in a queen size. The elevated mattress design uses an upper angle beam construction that offers superior edge support while still allowing the use of standard pocket sheets. The top of the mattress has a soft velveteen non-slip surface that offers a plush feel and helps secure sheets to the airbed. The Simmons Beautyrest High Loft mattress uses a patented one-touch valve that allows you to adjust the mattress to your unique comfort level with just the push of a button. The High Loft mattress includes a powerful multi-use pump that will inflate and deflate the mattress fast and easily. The pump also comes with adapters that will allow you to inflate other items around the home. Storing away the airbed and pump is quick and easy with the convenient storage bag that is included. Enjoy the luxurious comfort and support that only a Simmons Beautyrest can provide.